Hello, Sui fam. This is your weekly SuiCap. We're bringing you some top news and some alpha, so let's slip right in. First big news of the week, Open Gradient is redefining AI ownership, and Walrus is making it possible behind the scenes. So over 100 AI models now run on decentralized storage with private access and tokenized inference. So welcome Open Gradient. Sui just landed on ChainSpect, and you can now deep dive into real-time performance metrics such as TPS or other performance stats. You can compare Sui chain metrics versus other chains. Check it out. Huge milestone for the Sui ecosystem. The Overtake marketplace open beta is now live. So we're excited to see how Overtake reshapes the NFT experience on Sui with speed and great UX. So congrats to the team delivering. Now let's test it. The SuiNS SNS portal is a game changer and fully portable across Solana and Sui. This is what cross-chain identity should look like. So SuiNS is also giving out 1,000 Sui to the first 500 users that claim a sub. Heads up! 12 cutting-edge projects are now supported by the Sui Hydropower program, and that goes from AI wallets to no-code DeFi and on-chain social tools. So these projects are now backed by solid mentorship and real innovation. So these projects are a great preview of what's coming next in the Sui ecosystem. And the DMC token has officially launched on Sui. It was launched on June 24th. It's already bringing that DeLorean energy to the network. So DeLorean's on-chain vehicle reservation system and marketplace now accepts the DMC token for the purchase of build slots for future vehicles. Web2 giants are stepping into Web3 treasury strategy, and Sui made the cut. So Aurora Mobile is to allocate 20% of cash into crypto. So this is a huge win for the Sui ecosystem, and big thanks to Sui Ninja for keeping us in the loop. The community has been making some great contributions lately, and it's great to see the momentum building on SuiNS. So on the SuiNS DApp forum, 20 Sui is actively asking for opinions and suggestions to help the project grow. So this is a perfect time to get involved and help shape the future. So you can put your suggestions down on suins.discourse.group. Some of the most innovative use cases on Sui are quietly being built by these powerhouses. So that goes from OTC markets to DeFi super apps and GPU aggregation for AI. So this thread shows how deep the Sui rabbit hole goes. And thank you, Stravia, for sharing your view on the top underrated projects on Sui. And JTC brings us the deep dive on what is an M drop, the mature airdrop, in which you earn points and only receive full allocation if you wait until a certain maturity date. So the key argument for this soft lockup mechanism of airdrops tokens is further alignment with the protocol's long-term interests. And if you want to learn more about this, check out JTC's thread. Sui is the first layer 1 to run Scion. This protects validators and nodes from DDoS, root manipulation, and other infrastructure level attacks. So Scion is currently used by 300 Swiss banks as well as in healthcare infrastructure and energy networks. Scion is currently live on testnet, and mainnet rollout begins in stages throughout this year. So thank you, Yuppie, for all these insights. Huge move for X Society. Binance Alpha is heating up, and XO getting listed is a big signal. So make sure you've got your Alpha points ready. Airdrop season is on. SoulSeed white paper is out, and SoulSeed is a multiplayer game platform where anyone can build, play, and earn. And the Sui network will power many of the features on SoulSeed. So they have quite a few games in the pipeline, such as Conquest, Kingdom, and Hero Pilot Club. The paper states that SoulSeed is already accumulating points for users, and rewards will be delivered via the platform's own token, which will be tied to Sui via a liquidity pool. Big news for Bitcoin on Sui. OKX is teaming up with Navi and Momentum to launch the XBTC campaign, unlocking over 2.5 million USD in rewards for early participants. Now that's a serious heads up. To wrap up, the SuiCap's launch is running a mascot contest, and that's a perfect creative way to bring the community together. So you can participate by following their steps on their X page, and there's 500 Sui for 5 winners, and that goes until June 30th, so there's still time. And that's it for today. Stay tuned for more news and insights. Follow our SuiFam official channel, stay connected, and stay safe.